Hello students, now today we will study the remaining question of self practice 4a. So today we will continue from question number 4. So till question number 3 we have done in the last class. Now today we will do question number 4. So write each expression as a repeated multiplication, then write the value of each expression. So yes, 4a. So we have to write the expression as a repeated multiplication, and also after that we have to find the value of the expression. So the first question is 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4. So its repeated expression will be what? The base is 10 and the exponent is 4. This means the base will be multiplied by itself 4 times. So the repeated multiplication means 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 10. How many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times we will multiply. Now what will be its value? So its value also we write in front of it. Its value will be 10,000. 10,000. When you multiply this 10 4 times, so 4 0 will be added after 1. So the value will be 10 times 100, 100 times 1000, 1000 times 10,000. Okay. Now we see the question B. So B is minus 7 by 8 to the power 4. Minus 7 by 8 to the power 4. So how we write this repeated multiplication? Again we multiply this minus 7 by 8 4 times. Base is minus 7 by 8 and the exponent is 4. So this base should be multiplied by itself 4 times. That is minus 7 by 8 multiply minus 7 by 8 multiply minus 7 by 8 multiply minus 7 by 8. Okay, now you can count. This base minus 7 by 8 is multiplied by itself 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to find its value also. Now see what will be its value. So base is negative, power is even. So the value will be positive only. Base negative, power even, you will get the positive. Minus minus plus, this 2 product will give you plus, this 2 product will give you plus, and plus multiply plus gives you plus only. So see, 7 7s are 49. This 2 will give you, when I will multiply these two number, I will get 49 and 8 8s are 64. Again, when I will multiply these two pair, minus 7 into minus 7, 49, minus minus plus, and 8 8s are 64. Again, two positive quantity, when you multiply, you will get the product positive only. Now 49 into 49, see, when you multiply 49 into 49, then what you are going to get? Now we multiply this 49 with 49, see, 9 9s are 81, 1 carry 8, 9 4s are 36, 8 44. Now 4 9s are 36, 6 carry 3, 4 4s are 16, 3 19. So 1 4 6 10 0 carry 1, 5 9 14, 4 carry 1 1 1 2, 2401. So at the numerator place what we got? 2401. Now at the denominator place 64 multiplies 64. So for this we have to multiply this 64 into 64. Multiply 64. 4 4 is 16. 6 carry 1. 4 6 is 24. 125. 4 4 is 16, carry 1. 4 3 is 24, 125. 6 4 is 24, 4, carry 2. Again 6 is 36 to 38. So 6, 5, 4, 9. 8 to 10, 0, carry 1. 3, 1, 4. 4096. So here what we got? 4096. Fourth B, 4096. Okay. Now we move to the question number C. In question number C, we have 1 by 10 square. 1 by 10 square. This means its repeated multiplication will be, the base is 1 by 10, so multiply the base by itself 2 times. 1 by 10 multiply 1 by 10. And what will be its value? 1 by 100. 10 times 100. Okay. So, fourth D, last question, we'll do fourth D. Fourth D. Minus 12 cube multiplied by to the power 4. Minus 12 cube multiplied by to the power 4. Minus 12 cube multiplied by to the power 4. So here is the two different base. One base is minus 12 and the other base is y. And this base minus 12 is multiplied by itself 3 times. So that we write minus 12 multiply minus 12 multiply minus 12. And y is multiplied by itself 4 times. It is y multiply y multiply y multiply y. Okay. So this is the repeated multiplication. Now what will be its value? So base is negative, power is odd. The value will be negative only. Value will be negative. Minus plus plus minus minus. Now 12 12 is 144. Now 144 multiply 12. 12 12 is 144. 144 multiply 12. So when we multiply 144 by 12, see what we are going to get the product. 12 4 is 48. 8 carry 4. 12 4 is 48. 4 52. 2 carry 5. 12 1 is 12 5 17. That is 1728. So minus 1728. Minus 1728 into y to the power 4 into y to the power 4. So this also you can write minus 1728 y to the power 4. That also we can write. Okay. So now we move to the next question, question number 5. Now we move to the next question, question number 5. Express the prime factorization of the following numbers in exponential form. Yes, express the prime factor in the exponential form. Question number 5. Fifth A 81. So we have to find the prime factor of 81. See how you find the prime factor of 81. Multiply, divide this 81 by the prime numbers. So the smallest prime number is 2. So we start from 2. Since this 81 is the odd number, so we cannot divide this 81 by 2. Next prime number is 3. Yes, from 3 it is divisible. Because the sum is 8 plus 1 9, if any number, the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. See, the sum of the digits, 81 is what? 8 plus 1, 9, and 9 is divisible by 3 because 3 is a 9. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. Yes, this number will be divisible by 3. 3 2 is 6, 8 minus 6 2, remainder 2, and 2 1 21. 3 7 is 21. Now 3 9 is 27. Now 3 3 is 9. Now 3 1 is 3. So the prime factor of this number 81 is what? 3 is multiplied 4 times. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. 1 is not a prime number. So this again on the place of this what you can write? Same base is here 3, and this base is itself multiplied by 4 times. 1 2 3 4. So 3 to the power 4 also you can write. Okay, like this we have to do. Next B. 1600. 1600. So what is the prime factor of this? Again we will find the prime factor of 1600. Yes, it is divisible by 2. So first is prime number is 2. 2 8 is 16. 2 8 is 16. 2 0 is 0. Again 2 4 is 8. 2 0 is 0. Again 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2. And 2 5 is 10. 2 0 is 0. 2 25 is 50. Now 25 is not divisible by 2. Next prime number is 3. Now the sum of the digit 5 plus 2 7, and 7 is also not divisible by 3. So we cannot divide 25 by 3. Next prime number is 5. Yes, 25 is divisible by 5. So 5 5 is 25. Again 5 1s are 5. So first of all we find the prime factors of the given number, and we start finding the prime factor from the smallest prime number 2. If the number is not divisible by 2, then take the next prime number 3. If the number is not divisible by 3, then check with the next prime number 5. If not divisible by 5, then check with the next prime number 7. Means only you have to take the prime number here. Don't take any number other than prime number, otherwise you will get the wrong answer. So here what we got? See, 2 is multiplied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So we got here 2 multiplied 6 times. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 5 is multiplied 2 times. That we have to write. Now how you write in the short form, in the exponent form? Since 2 is multiplied 6 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 2 to the power 6. And 5 is multiplied 2 times, so you write 5 to the power 2. So 1600 can also be written as 2 to the power 6 multiply 5 to the power 2. Okay. So like this we have to solve. Now this next question is 5th C. Minus 32 by 243 or minus 343 upon 1331. So next question you see 5th C, that is minus 32 upon 243, minus 32 upon 243. So minus 32 prime factor will be what? What we can find here? That we can write minus 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. 5 times. Okay. Next 343. 7 7 7 multiply 7 multiply 7. So 49 7s are 343. 49 7 are 343. 7 9 is 63. 3 carry 6. 7 4 is 28 6 30. 4 3 43. So 49 7 is 343. Okay. Now how you write this in the exponent form? This is the repeated multiplication form. So its value will be in the exponent form. You can write also we can write this as a -2 because the base is negative and the power is odd. So put -2 at all place. -2, -2, -2, -2. Okay. So here we write -2 to the power 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upon 7 to the power 3. In the short form like this also we can write -2 to the power 5 upon 7 to the power 3. Okay. Next question is D. -343 upon 1331. Next question is D. -343 upon 1331. Yes. So 343 again. 343 is the cube of, that is 243 in the last question, and here we got 343. Okay. And the last question, that is 243. Sorry, you see in the last question there is 243, and the 243 place this we cannot write. 243 place we cannot write this. So 4 3 7 2 9, this is divisible by 3. So see 243 factor we do. So 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are, that is the 3 to the power 5 it will be, and 3 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. So this will get 3 to the power 5. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5. So on this place you write 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. So on the place of 7 write, so on the place of 7 you write here 3 to the power 5. 3 to the power 5. Now the base are same and the power base are different and the power is same. So on that place also you can write -2 by 3 4 to the power 5. That also can be written. Okay. So now we move to the 5D. Here 343 means -7 multiply -7 multiply -7, and 1331 is 11 multiply 11 multiply 11. So 11 11s are 121 and 121 11s are 1331. Now in that place you can write -7 to the power 3 upon 11 to the power 3. Again you can take this power common, so you can write -7 by 11 whole to the power 3. That also we can write. Okay. So this is all for today, students. So in the next class we will continue from question number 6.